Hello everybody, good morning. Here in the countryside, I'm finally home. I know, right? I feel like I have been saying it for the last 2 days. I actually cannot believe that I am home. I was just in Japan and then to Vietnam and then to Singapore and now I'm back in Philippines. Like how crazy that is. Anyway, I'm gonna have my breakfast. It's already 9 a.m. I had a really good sleep last night, though I slept super late because I was watching Scandal. But anyway, I have here rice, ginaling in Bisaya, but this is ground pork with carrots and potatoes. This is a leftover from last night. I just heated it up. I have here mango, of course, and my milk. Ta-da! Bon appetit, everyone. Let's eat. Thank you, Lord. I'm really hungry now because I woke up late. I love how this ginaling turned out. It's really good. By the way, can I just share something with you guys that I find weird in Japan? So, when you eat in Japan in a restaurant, most of the restaurants that they have there are pretty small. Like, it's good for one person. And normally, you have to not talk to your seatmate or somebody else, because I think it is rude if you're gonna be noisy. I'm not 100% sure if it's rudeness or that's just how it is. But yeah, if you guys have seen in one of the videos, I was feeling so awkward talking to you guys because everyone was just so quiet. At the same time, you have to finish your food ASAP because there's gonna be some people that will come in and take over your seat or table. Yeah. And so from Japan, and then I went to Singapore right after and met with Leia. I find it so weird talking to Leia while we were eating because I still have this mentality that I actually cannot talk while I'm eating. I'll just have to focus on my food and eat it ASAP and then vacate the place. But yeah, it's so weird. Like I kept telling Leia about it, like, you know what? I can't believe I can talk to you because you're not allowed to do it in Japan. Crazy how, you know, when you go see a different country, there's like new culture that you will actually learn. And yeah, that's one thing that I really love about traveling. The world is so big to explore, and yeah, there's just so much to see. I really love it. So I love Japan. I really would love to go back there. Alright guys, I just finished with my breakfast and now we're gonna have to start cleaning because the house is a total mess. Now look, I have a lot of boxes right here. These are stuff that was sent to me by brands. I have yet to open them, and yeah, there's stuff everywhere. I have those over there. Not sure where should I put them. I have big luggages, maybe in the second bedroom. Hey, oh my gosh, guys, it is so hot in the Philippines. Wow, I feel like it's 40 degrees Celsius. Yesterday it was 38, and that's super hot. Hey, summer has finally commenced in the Philippines. That's so crazy. Whew. Where should I begin? I don't even know. The house in the outside is so dirty as well as the inside. This is the reality if you're traveling abroad and no one's really maintaining it. My sister just comes here every Sunday and the house just gets so dirty easily. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay, well, we're gonna have to start cleaning. I'm gonna start here in the inside and then we'll work our way out. Come on, let's do this, everybody.
right, people, let's take a break and open these boxes right here so I could clear this area before I could sweep the floor and mop it. We're gonna start in this small box right here. I've actually opened this one already since I had to try the tuna first. So this is one box of tuna. It's 25 pieces of canned tuna. This is from Gold Seas. Yes, I work with them. The tuna is premium. It's legit. So yeah, that's why I want to share it to you guys. I only share something that I eat, something that I use. Yeah, something that I also like. So yeah, we have one box of tuna right here. Thank you, Gold Seas, for that. And then, if you guys can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. These are all from Silver Swan. Yes, I also work with them in TikTok. I think if you guys have followed me there, then you would know. We have here black beans, magic seasoning, we have vinegar, and then 1 box of soy sauce, which I do use every single day whenever I cook here at home. And then we have here patis, or fish sauce. So yeah, let's open it. Okay. I don't really use a lot of black beans, to be honest, because normally you use this for humba. That's the only dish that I know that you would use black beans. Yeah, so we have a bunch of black beans, guys. Look at that. I don't know how many pieces that is, but that's the black beans they sent me. And then 1 box of magic seasoning. It's an all-in-one seasoning granules. I'm not gonna open this. We're gonna have to put this in the storage. I actually don't have any storage here in the house. And then I have here a lot of vinegar as well. Let me show it to you. I think they sent me like the biggest bottle. Yeah, that's right. So, ta-da! We have a lot of vinegar. And then right here, what is this? We have patis as well. These are pretty heavy, so I cannot open it all. Anyway, let's open this one. This one is a yoga mat, as what I can see. Yeah, I wanna get back to, you know, getting some exercise in the morning or maybe in the afternoon whilst I'm home. So I decided to get this yoga mat, ta-da, so that I could do some exercise. It's color green. I did not choose this color, but yep, that is it. So I'm gonna put them away and then we could start sweeping and mopping. Let's do this. Hello people, I just finished sweeping the floor and now we're gonna be taking a break because it's time for lunch. And guess what's my lunch for today? We're a bit backwards. So this is supposed to be breakfast, but because we have leftover food from last night, I just decided to eat it. So we're gonna have cereal for lunch today. Ta-da! My favorite one. Chocolate cereal. I cannot finish the entire pack. And then I'm gonna pour fresh milk. I know a lot of you guys said this is not really fresh milk, but we call this fresh milk in the Philippines, okay? I'm also gonna read a book while eating this. Ta-da! Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's already 5 p.m. and I think I am finished with cleaning the inside of the house. Now we're gonna do the outside. I think my sister and mom are heading home now. I've actually ordered a few items for my bedroom so that I will have a comfortable sleep. So I'm gonna show it to you in a few. I was shopping with Bro. Bro is my personal shopper. He's a manager in SM department store in SMC side. So he's been a very big help every time I needed something. He's just a chat away. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna sweep this area right here. There's a lot of leaves, a lot of trash, so let's do it. Hello. Alright guys, so sis have arrived from work and so they were able to actually bring my order from SMC side. Thank you so much to Larry Benson. If you guys need anything, if you guys are from Cebu, you can contact him on Facebook. So here are the stuff that I got from SMC side, which I badly need since I badly need it. I just need it. Okay, so we're gonna start with this big one right here. This is a quilt, guys, or a comforter. So I actually got a comforter, actually two, before Typhoon Odette. And when it hit, it got destroyed. Unfortunately, it was wet and it's got a lot of, you know, different colors and it was really bad. So yeah, I decided to get one. Finally, this is my first ever quilt. So I got this one. And then this one, by the way, if you guys want to ask how much, it is 2,549. And then another one here is a duvet cover. So my bed is queen size, so these are all queen size. So this one is a duvet cover. It is a bit pricey because I want to make sure that quality over quantity, okay? I'm gonna explain it to you guys later on. This one, the price is not here, but I'm pretty sure this was around 3,000 pesos or 2,000 pesos. Yeah, the duvet cover is more pricey than the quilt. Why is that? All right, next is I have here pillows. Now, this is actually the main reason why I needed to get these items. It's because the pillows that I currently have died on me. Like, it doesn't have any life anymore. Like, when you sleep, it's nothing. There's no life, okay? So I decided to get a good quality one. It's a bit pricey. It's around 20 bucks per piece. Yeah, it's almost 1,000 pesos, guys. So hopefully this will last. I got 4 pieces and they're actually pretty heavy. So let's see. I decided to choose firm so that it's not gonna die on me in the next few years that we will be using this. So if you look at it right now, it doesn't have any puff, right? But I think once you remove the cover, then it will be firm. So I'm gonna show you one and let's see how would it look. All right, let's open one. Look, I think they really compress this so that it's not as bulky. So once we remove this, let's see. Look, it's so flat. I think this is gonna be very comfy. Considering the price is really expensive, I would never buy like this much before, you know, like 1,000 pesos for a pillow. That's pretty crazy. I could actually hear it. Ooh, oh, there's some magic. Can you see? It just started. Look. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is our new pillow. Ta-da! Oh, that's actually really soft and firm and comfy. Nice. All right, so we have 4 of those and this one as well. Not sure where's the receipt. Okay, the total price is 8,564 pesos. It's pretty pricey. My sister's giving me the eye because that's pretty expensive for 4 pillows, a quilt, and a cover. But I'm for quality this time so that I won't keep buying it. And also, bro gave me a discount. There is a discount of around 200 pesos and it's 100% free delivery. So, pretty good job. Thank you, bro. Alright guys, I just finished setting up my bed. It looks pretty full now. Look. Ta-da! How nice it is. I love it. Look how firm that is. And that too. Ta-da! Ooh! We have a little visitor! Say hi! Mindset! Where's your mindset?
Yours.
Can I ride your scooter?
Okay.
No, over there in the outside.
Baba.
Nana, mindset na.
Yes.
What are you doing? Can I ride here? Can you vlog me riding?
Okay.
Okay. You hold it, okay? Ready?
Yes.
From here?
Yes.
I'm going there. Ready?
Yes.
Ta-da! Hi guys. Another one. Ready? Ta-da! Hi guys. Okay, your turn. Your turn. Go! Wow! Oh, you go over there. Okay, one more time on the other side. Go! Wow! Mindset.